Today we will discuss about drilling machine operations. First, drilling machine. Drilling machine is one of the most important machine tool. What is machine tool? Machine tool is nothing but a machine driven by the power that cuts, shapes or finishes metals or other materials. That is called as a machine tool. Okay, drilling machine is one of the machine. Drilling is the operation done by the drilling machine. So in the drilling machine, we can do drilling operation. Drilling operation is used to produce the cylindrical holes on the workpiece by using drill. In drilling operation, the workpiece is stationary and the drill rotates to make a hole. So drilling machine అంటే ఏంటంటే ఇది ఒక మిషన్ లాంటిది. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో మిషన్. దీని ఎందుకోసం యూజ్ చేస్తామంటే డ్రిల్లింగ్ ఆపరేషన్ కోసం యూజ్ చేస్తాం. డ్రిల్లింగ్ ఆపరేషన్ అంటే ఏంటంటే హోల్స్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేయడానికి డ్రిల్లింగ్ ఆపరేషన్ అంటాం. ఈ డ్రిల్లింగ్ ఆపరేషన్ అనేది డ్రిల్ అనే టూల్ ద్వారా చేస్తాం. దీంట్లో ఏంటంటే వర్క్ పీస్ అనేది స్టేషనరీగా ఉంటుంది, ఆ డ్రిల్ అనేది రొటేట్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. నెక్స్ట్, టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ డ్రిల్లింగ్ మిషన్స్. ఫస్ట్ వన్, పోర్టబుల్ డ్రిల్లింగ్ మిషన్ ఆర్ హ్యాండ్ డ్రిల్లింగ్ మిషన్. పోర్టబుల్ ఆర్ హ్యాండ్ డ్రిల్లింగ్ మిషన్ అని ఎందుకు అంటామంటే బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్స్ సైజ్ ఈజ్ స్మాల్ and it is handled by the hand and it is held by the hand, so that's why we are called as a portable or hand drilling machine. It is used for making holes. Next one, sensitive drilling machine or bench drilling machine. So sensitive or bench drilling machine, why we are called as a sensitive or bench drilling machine? So this machine is placed on bench or floor, that's why we call as a bench drilling machine. It is used for small drills up to 16 mm drill. Next, upright drilling machine. This is similar to the sensitive drilling machine. This is used for medium holes up to 50 mm. Next one, radial drilling machine. Why we are called as a radial drilling machine? In that machine we have radial arm, it will rotates. So radial drilling machine is used for medium and heavy drills. Next, fifth one, gang drilling machine. In that machine, in single table, number of drilling heads are placed, and at a time we can perform more operations, 4 or 6 operations at a time. Next, sixth one, multiple spindle drilling machine. So multiple spindle means that same machine it has 4 to 6 spindles. Deep hole drilling machine. This is used for high depth holes. It is used for to produce the high depth holes. So ఎక్కువ డెప్త్ ఉన్న హోల్స్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేయడం కోసం డీప్ హోల్ డ్రిల్లింగ్ మిషన్ అనేది యూస్. నెక్స్ట్, డ్రిల్లింగ్ ఆపరేషన్స్. సో దేర్ ఆర్ డిఫరెంట్ డ్రిల్లింగ్ ఆపరేషన్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. ఫస్ట్ వన్, డ్రిల్లింగ్, రీమింగ్, బోరింగ్, కౌంటర్ బోరింగ్, కౌంటర్ సింకింగ్, స్పాట్ ఫేసింగ్, ట్యాపింగ్, ట్రీ panning. First one, drilling. What is drilling? Drilling is the operation to produce the cylindrical holes in a solid workpiece. It is done by drill. So there are different types of drills are there. Flat drill, straight fluted drill, twist drill, central drill. So one of the drill is the diagram. Twist drill is the one of the drill. It is used for making holes. Next one, reaming. Reaming is also one of the operation. It is used for slightly enlarging and finishing. Why we are using this operation? Because of drilling. In drilling operation, the hole is not finished. That's why we are using reaming. It is slightly enlarging and finishing. How much it will be? Remove metal 0.1 to 0.15 mm. What tool we are using in this? Reamer. That is the tool used for reaming operation. So in the diagram we can observe workpiece, reamer, making of reaming operation, making of enlarging of slightly enlarging of hole. Next one, boring. This is also operation of enlarging a hole of previously drilled hole. So this is also enlarging of hole. This is done by the boring tool or boring bar. So this operation produce accurate hole. This produce accurate hole. No need of reaming operation in this. Next one, counter boring. Counter boring is also enlarging of previously hole, enlarging of previously drilled hole for a certain depth, not completely. So in boring we are doing completely, in counter boring for certain depth only. If you are observe the diagram, square headed bolt is there. So to produce the space for square headed bolt, if you are observe the workpiece diagram, the diagram two holes are there: drilled hole, counter bore hole. So counter bore hole, that is for produce, that is used for give the place for head of the bolt. So దీన్ని ఎందుకోసం ఇచ్చేస్తామంటే హెడ్ ఆఫ్ ది బోల్ట్స్ని, స్టడ్స్ని, పిన్స్ని ప్లేస్ చేయడం కోసం ఇచ్చేస్తూ ఉంటాం. దీంట్లో కూడా ఏంటంటే హోల్ని ఎన్లాట్ చేస్తాం. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ కౌంటర్ సింకింగ్ బోర్డ్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో సిమిలర్ బట్ షేప్ ఈజ్ డిఫరెంట్. సో కౌంటర్ బోరింగ్కి ఇది సిమిలరే కానీ కొంచెం షేప్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటంటే this operation of producing conical shape. So if you are observe the workpiece, the shape is conical. So the shape is, to produce the type of shape we are using countersink tool. Countersink have an angle 60 degrees, 82 degrees or 90 degrees. Why we are using this? To accommodate the flat headed countersink screw or rivets, అంటే రివిట్స్ కానీ స్క్రూస్ కానీ ప్లేస్ చేయడం కోసం ఈ ఆపరేషన్ కానీ యూజ్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ట్యాపింగ్. ద ఆపరేషన్ ఆఫ్ ప్రొడ్యూసింగ్ ఇంటర్నల్ థ్రెడ్స్. టు ప్రొడ్యూస్ ఇంటర్నల్ థ్రెడ్స్, దట్ ఆపరేషన్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ఎ ట్యాపింగ్. హియర్ వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ ట్యాప్ యాజ్ ఎ టూల్. సో దీంట్లో ఏంటంటే ట్యాప్ అనే టూల్ ఇచ్చేస్తాం. ఇది ఏంటంటే ఇంటర్నల్ థ్రెడ్స్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేస్తుంది. సో ఇఫ్ వీఆర్ అబ్జర్వ్ ద నట్ హ్యాస్ ఇంటర్నల్ థ్రెడ్స్. సో లైక్ దట్ ట్యాపింగ్ ఆపరేషన్ is done. Next, spot facing. The operation of smoothing and squaring of the surface around the hole. Already hole అయిందాన్ని ఆ లోపల సర్ఫేస్ని క్లీన్ చేయడం కోసం, స్మూత్ చేయడం కోసం యూజ్ చేసేదాన్ని ఏమంటామంటే స్పాట్ ఫేసింగ్ అంటే. ఇది కూడా ఎందుకోసం యూజ్ చేస్తామంటే టు ప్రొవైడ్ ద ఫ్లాట్ సర్ఫేస్ ఫర్ bolt heads, nuts and washers. If you want to place bolt heads, nuts, washers, we are using spot facing. But next, twist drill nomenclature. So what are the parts twist drill have? First one, axis. If you are observe the diagram, the axis line is given as it is the center line of the drilling tool, is called axis. Next one, body. What is the body? If you observe the bottom diagram, so that indicates the body. What is the body? It is the part of drill extending from drill extreme point to the neck. So body is in between the extreme point to neck. Next one, neck. What is neck? Neck is the one of the part of the drill which is diametrically undercut. If you observe the shank and body, the diameter of the neck is less. In this neck, the size of the drill is marked. If we want 6 mm drill, if we are observe the neck, in that we can find out the size of the drill is marked in the neck. Next, shank. It is the part of drill by which it is held or driven. So if you are observe the diagram, that is the shank. Spindle holds the shank. So shank is fitted into the spindle. Shanks may be straight or taper. So it may be straight or taper. In the diagram we can observe taper shank. Next one, flute. What is flute? The grooves on the body of the drill. If you observe the body, and that body, the body is twisted. So that twister we are called as a grooves. The grooves in the body of a drill is known as a flutes. Why we are using these flutes? So these flutes are allows to escape the chips. What are the chips are formed, and it permits to cutting fluid to reach the cutting edges. ఎందుకోసం కటింగ్ ఫ్లూయిడ్ యూజ్ చేస్తామంటే హీట్ జనరేట్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి హోల్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఆ హీట్ని రెడ్యూస్ చేయడం కోసం ఈ కటింగ్ ఫ్లూయిడ్ని యూజ్ చేస్తాం. సో ఆ కటింగ్ ఫ్లూయిడ్ మూవ్ అవడం కోసం ఫ్లూయిడ్స్ అనేవి యూజ్ అవుతాయి. నెక్స్ట్ పాయింట్, ట్యాంగ్. సో డయాగ్రామ్ అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్ ఉన్న పాయింట్ ఏమంటాడంటే ట్యాంగ్ అంటాడు. ద ఫ్లాట్ ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ షాంక్. The flat end of shank is known as a tank. So next point. What is point? It is the sharp end of the drill. We can observe 2 points are there. So that extreme point and middle point. So we can observe 3 points, 3 middle point and 2 top points. So it is the sharp end of the drill. Sharp end is called as a point. Next, flank. What is flank? We can observe that point, that place is flank. The surface of drill is just behind the lip. Behind the lip is called as a flank. So here we are observing what is lip. The face. It is the cutting edge formed at the end of flute. So cutting edge formed at the end of flute is known as a lip. Lip is in between the 2 points. In between 2 points. So lip is also called as a cutting edge. Next one, rake angle. The angle made between the path of flute and central line. The angle made between the path of central line and flute. Central line and flute is called as a rake angle. Last one, next one, land. It is the cylindrically ground surface of the edge. It is the cylindrically ground surface on the edge. If you are observe the two twisting lines are there, that is called as a land. The hole is maintained straightly onto right size. So these all are the twist drill nomenclature. So we can observe this drilling operation. So in this video we can observe drill, workpiece is stationary, drill is rotating. That is the feed given to the drill. Reaming operation. Reaming operation means slightly enlarging and finishing the already drilled hole. We are using reamer as a tool. Tool rotates, workpiece stationary. So in order to 0.1 to 0.30 mm may be reduced. Boring. So enlarging the hole, previously hole drill. Boring is done by the boring tool or boring bar. So increasing the hole. Next, counter boring. Counter boring tool, workpiece. Counter bore up to certain distance, certain depth only. Increasing the hole up to certain depth, small depth. Next, counter sinking. Counter boring tool. So this is like to counter boring tool or counter sinking tool. It is used for shank, producing the tapper shapes. Tapping is done by tapping tool or tap. It is produce the internal threading like this. That is the tap. These all are the operations of drilling machine.